Hi class, happy Friday. Okay, today you will be listening to Inch by Inch by Leo Liani. You will also be reading How Long Is It? It's a measurement book, and that's our nonfiction reader today. Please answer your 3 reading journal questions just like we do each and every day. After that, you are going to log on to Imagine Learning for 30 minutes. Great work on Imagine Learning. Keep it up, please. Next, for math, I just want you to practice Zern, Prodigy, or MobyMax for 30 minutes. When your math practice time is over, please use the rest of your work time to complete any unfinished assignments from this week. Maybe there was a day that you were busy and didn't get to turn in an assignment, or maybe you forgot to log in on Google Classroom. Please use this time to catch up on all of your work. Many of you still have writing to turn in to me about ponds from our Monday writing assignment. Or maybe you're writing about ways that you can be kind. Be sure and turn that in. Make sure that all of your assignments have been turned in from the week. We'll start fresh again next week. Happy Friday!